Inflation silently eats into your money every single year, even when savings account looks like it's growing. Before we talk about investing, let me ask you a simple question. What happens to your money over time if you don't invest it? Most people think the answer is nothing happens. But the truth is something is happening quietly and every single year. Inflation is reducing the value of your money, even when your bank balance is going up. So let's break this down in a simple, practical way. Imagine inflation is 3% and your savings account is paying you 3% interest. It feels like you're keeping up, right? But actually, you're not moving forward at all. Your balance is increasing, yes, but the cost of goods and services is rising at the same pace. So your purchasing power, what your money can actually buy, remains the same or even decreases. This is where the idea of real return becomes so important. Your real return is your investment return after adjusting for inflation. Here is a quick example. If inflation jumps to 10%, as we saw recently in the UK, and your salary increases by only 5%, you're actually earning less in real terms. Your money simply doesn't stretch as far as it did before. And this is why people invest. Over the long term, investing, especially in the stock market, has historically delivered returns that outpace inflation. This means your money isn't just growing in numbers, it's growing in real value. Because the goal isn't just to have more money. The goal is to have more spending power, more financial stability, and more opportunity. If you want to build real wealth, your money must grow faster than inflation. Investing helps protect the value of your money and gives it the opportunity to grow over time. If you're finding this helpful, make sure you don't miss lesson 1.2, where we break down how compound growth works and why it's considered the eighth wonder of the world. And if you're watching this from my website, scroll down for the key points, examples, and resources from today's lesson. See you in the next one.